Hello guys, what I'm gonna show you today is how you can fix stack on loaded screen or crashes in 7 Deadly since Origin, okay? Now this game is very new and unfortunately it suffers from some performance problems, okay? But I'm gonna give you a couple of tips that you can actually do. First of all, you can as usual just verify your game files using Steam, okay? You can just go to Steam, click on the game on the library, go to properties, and then verify the integrity of the game files. However, the second solution that I want to give you, which is much more concrete, is to actually disable full screen. So you're basically gonna go to your settings in here. You're gonna go to your graphics, and you're gonna go to screen mode, and you're gonna go to window. Okay, and you're gonna do this because some players report having some problems with borderless full screen. Okay, so just go to window and try to see if this is working better. All right. Finally, I could recommend you check your drivers for and your BIOS updates, okay? Especially if you're on NVIDIA because they're constantly releasing drivers, and they're probably gonna release new ones in a couple of days for this game too. But in the meanwhile, just try to play window, okay? Thank you so much.